Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Mehboob. Today I am going to explain trigonometry. Tri means three, gono means angle, metry means measurement. Three angle measurement. Dear friend, we have so many types of triangle, but only a right angle triangle is a triangle in which three parts, three different names. Example, if you are seeing that the side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse, the base of the right angle triangle, adjacent, and the perpendicular is known as opposite. So the three sides have three different names in a right angle triangle. So in a trigonometry we almost use the right angle triangle. And the second point, the application of this chapter is we can find the heights of the tower, we can find the depth of the river, we can find the distance from one planet to another planet. Hipparchus, one of the famous mathematician, astronaut and philosopher who invented the triangulation method and who successfully calculated the distance between Earth and Moon. Let us see how the trigonometry is used. So trigonometry have six ratios. The first one is sin theta, second one cos theta, third one is a tan theta, fourth one is cot theta, fifth one is sec theta, and sixth one is cosec theta. So these are the six ratios of trigonometry. So what is the ratio? Ratio means comparing quantities, comparing two quantities by division. Comparing two quantities by division, that is known as ratio. And here we are seeing that theta, this is known as theta, T-E-E-T-A. Theta means this is a symbol of angle, symbol of angle. What is an angle? We know that when two ray meets, form an angle. When two ray meets, form an angle. So what is the ray? You know that one side point, another side direction. This is known as ray. This ray used to draw the angle. When two ray meets, form an angle. Suppose first ray and the second ray. Both meet at one point, so it form an angle. This is known as theta. Okay. So here trigonometry, tri means three, gono means angle, metry means measurement. Three angle measurement. So what we use in the trigonometry? We use the right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle in which three parts, three different names. The first one, the side opposite to the right angle, hypotenuse. The base of the right angle, adjacent. And the perpendicular is known as opposite. So in the trigonometry we use the six ratios. The first one sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. So what is the ratio? Ratio means comparison between two quantities. Comparison between two quantities by division method. And what is theta here? Theta is used to express the angle. Theta is used to express an angle. So what is an angle? When two ray mates form an angle. When two ray meets, form an angle. So what is a ray? Ray means one side point, another side direction. This is the symbol of ray. These two ray meets form an angle. So these are the basic of the trigonometry. So let us see how the formulas are formed. So first formula is sin theta. In a sin theta, we are going to compare. This is the opposite, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse. So we can say that P upon H, or we can say that opposite by hypotenuse. And in a cos theta, we are comparing base upon hypotenuse, B upon H. This is the base and this is hypotenuse. And we can say that adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. This is the second cos theta. And the third one is tan theta. In a tan theta, we have to compare the perpendicular and base. So P upon B. In other words, we can say opposite by adjacent. Both the methods are correct, both the formulas you can write. So if we know the three ratios formulae, automatically we can write the remaining three formulae. Example student, cot theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. What is tan theta? P upon B, perpendicular upon base. So what is the cot theta, sir? Base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. So you know that cot is a reciprocal of tan. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. Similarly, sec theta. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. We know that what is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. So what is the reciprocal, sir? Hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base is what? Sec theta. Similarly, sin theta. Sin theta is a perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cosec is a reciprocal of sine. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. So these are the trigonometry ratios. If you have to learn these formulas and the reciprocal formulae, we can easily solve the exercise 11.1. Okay, I hope you understood this basic class. Inshallah, we'll see the another video for taking the problems of trigonometry. Thank you so much.